sweetie, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute mouse. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lesson. In this lesson we will need a neat paper, a pencil, an eraser and something with which you will color. Now let's look at the picture. A head, ears, blush, body, legs, nose, whiskers, eyes, tail, and our mouse had a short full. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here right in the middle. Let's draw short horizontal line, then 2 diagonal lines on each side, and let's connect these ends with V shape. V shape. Now let's draw ears. Draw big U shape over here on the left side of the head. U shape, big U shape, and small U shape inside this shape. And now U shape. Then let's draw the same thing on the right side. Big U shape and small U shape inside this shape. Oh, you're doing great! Now let's draw an eyes. Now let's draw eyes. 2 dots. Then let's draw a nose. Let's draw small oval over here. And let's color it. Then let's draw the body. I draw a big U shape over here under the head. I start over here and draw big U shape. Great line, keep it up. Then let's draw the belly. I draw another U shape inside the body. Now let's add legs. I draw G shape over here on the right side. And the same thing on the left side. Now let's add another legs. U shape on the left side and on the right side. Now it's time to draw the tail. I draw diagonal line, then curve up and stop. And let's draw another under this line and connect it. That's the way, I like your lines. Now let's add some details. Let's draw the whiskers. 3 short lines on the left side, near the nose, and on the right side. Let's count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then let's add some texture for our mouse. I draw 3 short lines over here on the top of the ear, right ear, and 3 short lines on the bottom of the left ear. Then over here on the top of the head, 1, 2, 3. On the leg, 1, 2, 3 inside the leg. On the left side, on the right side, in the belly, and in the tail over here. That's the way to go, you did it! I like your drawing! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie Art. Also, you can download and print my free coloring page. All links in the description under the video. I choose pink for blush and draw small circles under the eyes, on the left side and on the right side. Then I color this part of the mouth, of the ears, tracing and coloring inside, tracing and coloring inside. I choose light gray for belly, and pink for the bottom of the tail, and dark gray for body. Let's try to carefully trace along the pencil line and not go beyond the line. We try to carefully and accurately color inside this form. Try to color all the completely, from edge to edge, so that the white lines of the paper are not visible. Wow, wonderful drawing! I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Download and print my coloring page. All links in the description under the video. Love you, bye bye!